Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. And look what I have today. I have 3 Sword and Shield Fusion Strike packs. I just got them from the store. Let's open them. Okay, I'm back. I think this is a little bit better. Okay, I'm gonna open it and let me see. This is the best one. Okay, that's one. Come on. I hope I get something good. Come on. I'm trying to get it open, but it won't open. Okay, what do we got? Okay. Okay. Lulu. Getting into the good ones. Alright, I need to focus on this. Oh! A Fusion Strike, Single Strike, Rapid Strike, Doxy. I really like that one. So, the end, I'm gonna sleeve it. If I can find my sleeve. And we got this one. That's pretty good. And that's actually pretty cool. Okay, for the last one. What are we gonna get? I'm gonna try to get something good. Okay. What are we going to get? Wait, I'm gonna do that back. Okay. A Battle VIP pass. Fusion Strike, okay. Rapid Strike. Oh! A Gengar V! Single Strike! Let's go, guys. Wait. Holy moly. A Gengar V Max. Holy moly, guys. Wait. I gotta put it somewhere. Look. A Gengar V Max. Real. That's actually real cool. Super surprised. Okay, guys. Now, that was my Pokemon unboxing. I hope you liked it. And like and follow if you want to see more about these vids. And subscribe. And stay cool.